let's see what happens today. Is this going to be the same one?
Alright, my students who
I have no idea.
nature walk today. Students who have nature walk today. If you
Nature
did
walk's
not
really great.
Bring me back a permission slip that you have it.
What if it's Max? Is it Max in here? I just got a Max. I don't want another Max. Do you get the Happy Meal toys? Did you get any different one besides Max or Stranger Things? There's a key. I did this yesterday. I don't want it to be Max again. If it's Max again, I'm gonna be mad. I already have a Max. Oh no, it's Max again. Whoa. I love Max, but I want a different Max. I want someone else. Did anyone get anything different? What did you get? What else is there? So I went to the same McDonald's 2 days in a row and they gave me the same thing and I'm not happy about it. Max.